But I want to tell all the people of Goa, in India and in the world, that don't mix up the two banyan trees. This banyan tree was bought in good faith from Santinesh to here and planted over here at the first location. Then they realized a temple was coming and then it was bought over here. After it was bought over here, I was involved because I'll tell you honestly, I'm not scared of anybody because it was becoming a political issue, and that's the time they brought me on board because they know my passion for plants. And I want to keep it on record, I've not taken a single rupee. I've done it out of my own passion. And today I regret to say, yes, this tree is dead. Please make it loud and clear, this tree is dead. But the shoots are coming from the top. And let me also tell you on record, the smart city intentionally never planted it over here. They also did not know about the water logging in Kampal area. And this year we had surplus of monsoons. So intentionally it was not planted from here. But we should use this as an example when we are transplanting trees, that we should plant trees at higher altitudes. So please don't mix up the two banyan trees, because I've got a lot of followers, I get a lot of good comments, I get a lot of negative comments. So please make it clear, I've not taken 1 rupee from anybody. I've done it for my passion in the hot sun with my dedication and sincerity, and it was not intentionally done. But probably if now we know that these trees don't survive in low-lying areas, and that's the reason I'm saying when you all do transplanting, transplant banyan trees in higher locations. One more thing, I also got a lot of comments yesterday that there are a lot of shoots coming at the base of this banyan tree in Kampal. I've even got comments that people sangla, "Tumi dakte zad roila." So I will show the whole world, I will show the whole Goa, trying to pull it out to show that the shoots are coming from down. And now one more step I will take you, I'll start pruning this tree, but I'll not touch the root base. Let it grow. Our grandchildren might be able to see this banyan tree. Follow me and see, I'm trying to pull it out. And there are many shoots coming out from the base. So from the base, it is alive. From the base, it is alive. This portion is dead. Yes, I'm certifying it's dead. And it was not done intentionally. Because nobody knew about the water logging. It was done in good faith. Come. So these are the shoots that are coming up. And people have told me that the shoots are planted. I'm trying to pull it out. And I told all the press reporters, you all also try to pull it out and see if it is coming out. These shoots are grounded. These shoots are coming from down. So when you're what I want to say, when you're passionate, don't get scared of anybody. Do what your heart says and you will succeed.
आता जे झाड आहे असं पळय तुम्ही म्हटलं की डेड झाला फुल्ली डेड आता याचं फ्युचर किती आहे
See now what the next technique is, I'm not going to stay leave this tree. As long as I'm living, I will take care of this tree. That's my passion. Although I was involved, as I said, I was not involved from day one. I was involved much later, after the second transplant. First transplant from the original location, it was planted closer to the mandir. Then they decided the mandir was coming, then it was bought here. And by the time I came on board, I could not transplant the tree for the third to fourth time. It would become too much shock. So whatever I could do in the present situation, I did. So we have to cut down this tree because it's already dead, and let the new tree, the new branches just coming from right down, let them flourish. But let me tell you on record, we are not going to see it. Our grandchildren are going to see it back again flourishing into a big majestic tree.
So you will write to authorities to cut down the trees?
I don't have to write to any authorities. I will just interact with Smart City. I don't have require any authorities because I've done it out of my own love and passion. I will request Smart City to help me. I will stand over here and get it pruned the way I want because I'm passionate about trees and I know my subject well.
The whole tree will be
I might just keep depending how much when I'm cutting down, I will just see how much I require and I will take a call. I don't require somebody to supervise me because I'm doing it on my own wish and I'm taking the entire, I've taken through and through, I've taken the responsibility of this tree and I will till I die.